Hey there, art lovers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which I am going to show you how to paint beautiful flowers in an easy and fun way using a spoon. That's right, no brushes needed. Grab your spoon, some colorful paints, and let's get creative. Step 1. Dip the back of your spoon into the paint and press it onto your paper in a smooth motion. Each press creates a petal shape. You can make large or small flowers depending on how much pressure you apply. Now for the fun part, mix different colors and layer them for gorgeous vibrant effect. Try experimenting with how you angle the spoon to create unique petals and shapes. Don't forget to add a stem and some leaves. You can use the edge of your spoon for those finer details. And there you have it, easy colorful flowers painted with a spoon. No art experience required, just a little creativity and fun. This style keeps it light and encouraging while breaking down the step clearly. Would you like any adjustments or additional details? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Happy painting everyone.